Today, we'll show you how to replace the gas spring on a Toyota Camry. First, support the hood safely and remove the old gas spring. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Install the new gas spring and lock it into place. The hood will open smoother and more safely after replacement. GasStack specializes in gas springs since 2006. We provide higher quality products at more competitive prices. All products come with a 2-year warranty and OEM customization service. We supply gas springs for the full Toyota vehicle range.